Hey, Ed here from 10,000 Foot View, and I've got another Google Ads quick tip for you today. So one of the issues we see a lot with smaller budget advertisers is they can't seem to get over what I call the conversions hump. And all that means is they're kind of stuck month over month by their limited ad spend of getting X number of conversions. And so, if you go through each month and you have a campaign, say you're running one campaign, and it's only getting a dozen or 10, some months maybe at 18 conversions, and maybe you're doing max click bidding, or maybe you're trying full smart bidding, or you're doing even ECPC or something like that. But no matter what you do, you're just kind of struggling. Some months are better than others, but you can't ever seem to kind of break through and start to reduce your cost per conversion. And that's, again, what I call the conversions hump. And so basically with Google Ads, until you reach a certain volume of conversions, you're not going to be able to optimize your campaigns very effectively. And that means like hands-on with creatives, with targeting and other mechanisms where you're just trying to optimize, but you don't have enough conversion data to make the right decisions. And likewise, you can't really leverage automated smart bidding because the AI doesn't have enough conversion data or information to make appropriate bidding changes. So, and then what I often see with advertisers is they essentially just keep like changing things for the sake of testing or trying different things. So, they'll switch out different bidding strategies. They'll turn on broad match keywords. They'll, completely swap out the creative with something like completely different. And really nothing seems to do the trick. So again, really what it comes down to is just a volume. And sometimes, even though it may be a little bit scary, the right solution is to maybe take your $1,000 or $1,500 budget a month, and figure out how much you would actually have to spend to get to like 25 conversions, right? So if you're at 12, double your budget. And then you may find that you only have to run that higher budget for like a couple of months, and then your conversions may go up significantly. And then once you start to optimize, as your CPA comes down, you can then actually start to lower that budget again. So again, it can be a bit scary, but sometimes it's the only way out of that rut. So that's just kind of more of like general advice for you today. If you're struggling with a small budget and with a few conversions and you can't seem to bust through, this may be a way to overcome that issue. All right, that's it for today. I'll see you next time.